Hi everyone, thank you for joining us for today's program. Today, let's have some fun and go on a field trip. We're going to visit United Premier Physicians. There, Dr. Calvin Yang, Dr. Ampong Chen, and Dr. Tan Nguyen are going to show us how they are using the latest technology to help their patients. They have the new Aquilion One Genesis Edition by Canon. This amazing 640 slice CT scanner can do some wonderful things. Come with me and let's learn more about this new technology.
I'm very delighted to introduce this state-of-the-art CT machine here in the San Gabriel Valley. And this Canon Aquilion One Genesis CT machine can help us not in terms we can do total body scan in the minimum amount of time, usually within less than 10 seconds. It can also help us to take images very accurately of the cerebral circulation, also of the circulatory coronary artery disease. And also it can do a colonoscopy, which is what we call a CT colonoscopy. That can actually as a screening test for colon cancer. And I'm very excited that we're bringing this state-of-the-art technology to our community and to better serve our members here and also the population at large in the San Gabriel Valley.
Dr. Nguyen, I want to find out about the technology that we can experience here at your facility. Tell us a little bit about the machine we see behind us.
Absolutely. So here we have the latest and one of the best CT scanners on the market from Canon that we recently acquired for this facility. This is actually one of the best CT scanners you're going to find on the market. Just to give you a sense of some of the numbers, most CT scanners on the market will be able to scan about 32 slices or 64 slices or sometimes even 128 slices. And for this CT scanner, it has 320 detectors in each row. And because of the technology that's built into it, it can actually scan 640 slices per rotation.
So when you talk about slices, the more detail and information?
Yes. So we can get a lot more data in a much shorter period of time for making diagnoses for patients.
You say shorter period of time. Why is that important?
Oftentimes, you'll get a lot of artifacts on your images if you have an older CT scanner. With ours, because of how fast it is, it can capture the entire heart in a single rotation of the CT scanner, which means that you get much clearer images of organs such as the heart, where we're particularly interested in diseases that affect the cardiovascular system and the coronary arteries. That's one of the largest causes of morbidity and mortality in our community. And the images that come from this scanner are very high resolution. It can detect disease as small as 0.5 millimeter, and we can detect disease at an earlier stage. So for example, if you have a lesion in your liver that's subtle, we'll be able to see that on our scanner. Or if you have a small lung nodule, we'll be able to see that much sooner than if you had a scanner with a lower resolution.
How long does the scan generally take?
The scan itself is very fast. It takes just a few seconds for the entire scan to be done.
So it's painless and it's fast, and most importantly, they're going to get information that'll help them get the treatment that they need. Is that correct?
Absolutely. Most of the time is spent just with instructions, getting the patient ready, changed and onto the table, and so the entire experience is quite pleasant and quite fast for the patients.
Just laying down and relaxing mostly.
Yes. Overall, it's a big privilege to be able to work with this technology. A lot of facilities don't have access to this, so I'm glad that we have this for our community.
Well, there you have it. A fast and painless examination, quick results, and amazing resolution that allows for better and earlier detection of disease. This is just what patients need. So make sure you visit United Premier Physicians or call the number below. We look forward to seeing you there. Thank you for joining us.